Okay, so today we're talking about the Jeep Diesel Grand Cherokee, the WK2 with the VM 3-litre diesel engine in it. This video should help you if you've got any of the following. If you've got the fault code P0336, which is crank angle sensor. If you've got anything in your fault codes relating to engine speed signal, implausible data, or if you've got any of the following symptoms. Most commonly, the Jeep won't turn off when you go to turn it off, obviously. The other issue that you may come across is long crank and hard to start. The issue with all of these is a combination of the crank angle sensor and the tone wheel. So the tone wheel sits on the back of the flywheel. Your crank angle sensor, am I in shot here, Gordon? Yep. Your crank angle sensor sits here. This acts like an ABS ring with a number of 360 pickups. And as it rotates, it tells this sensor where it's at. What these tone wheels do is they delaminate. Does that show up or am I in focus? So they delaminate and you lose obviously a section of signal. So when that comes past the crank sensor, it has no point of reference. It doesn't know what's going on. So change this obviously, but don't ever change this on its own. You've got to pull the transmission out to get to it, but you've got to change this as well. The other thing to be careful of, if ever you're doing a sump or a transmission, these sit at a bit of a peculiar angle and you can damage the wiring here. You've got to be very careful. If you end up with these codes after you've pulled the transmission out, chances are you've damaged the wiring here. And that's it.